this second video on logs. Some more questions. Log to the base e of e. So whatever is in here to the power of this is equal to the big E. So that will be e to the power of 1. So x is equal to 1 in the first case. Then we have e to the power of 2 is equal to this guy, x. Unless you're asked for it in decimal form, I'd leave it as e to the power 2. This one we have e to the power of x is equal to this 1 over e. You can do in one step when you're really confident. E to the power of minus 1 is 1 over e, so x is equal to minus 1 in this case. In number 4, we have e to the power of x is equal to the cube root of e, which you can write in one step now, e to the power of a third. So we have x is equal to 1 over 3. In number 5, we have e to the power of log of x to the base e. Now, the log of x to the base e and e to the power of x, these are inverse functions. You have a bit of time, maybe graph them. So in this case, this x is going to be equal to 8 as e to the power of the log of x to the base e is equal to x as the log to the base e of e to the power of x is equal to x. This one here, e to the power of x, obviously it's going to have your e to the power of x in here. So in this case, number 5, we're going to just say x is equal to 8 based on our knowledge of logs, not much else in that question. Number 6, we have e to the power of x is equal to e to the power of 4. So you just have x equals 4. In this one here, we need our knowledge of e to the power of the log of x to the base e is equal to x. So we just need to write out x is equal to 2. Just your knowledge of the rules. This one here, we could start off by saying e to the power of log to the base e, and the half will be x to the power of a half, or the square root of x if you want to write like that, and that will all be equal to 7. So this guy here, based on this rule, square root of x is equal to 7. Square both sides, we get x is equal to 49. Now number 9 should be written like this, so we can change it around into e by the log to the base e of x squared is equal to this 9. So this x squared becomes 9, so x is equal to plus 3 in this case. The minus 3 doesn't work. And then similarly for number 10, we're going to get e to the power of 3 by the log of 4 to the base e is equal to x. So we're going to get e to the power of log to the base e of 4 cubed, which is 64, is equal to x. So in this case, x is going to be the 64. Number 9, it's a couple of ways to do it. We could bring this guy to the left, but I think it's easier. We know our knowledge of logs. We know that log of e to the base e is equal to 1. So let's change the 1. Keep the left hand side as log of x to the base e is equal to log of e to the base e, which is the 1, plus log to the base e of 2. And now we have a product. So the right hand side is log to the base e of e times 2, or 2e, will be equal to log to the base e of x. So we can see here that they equate with the same base. X is equal to 2e. And similarly in number 12, 3 is going to be 3 by the log of e to the base e, which is log of e cubed to the base e. And then we bring in minus log to the base e of 5, which is going to be log to the base e of e cubed over 5, equal to the left hand side, log e to the x, log of x to the base e. So we're going to get x is equal to e cubed over 5. Number 12. Again, we can simplify the left hand side, log to the base e of x squared, bringing the 2 up, and then that's going to be equal to log, the 1 is log to the base e of e, minus log to the base e of 3. So we're going to get log to the base e of e over 3 will be equal to the log to the base e of x squared. So x squared is equal to e over 3. So x is equal to the square root of the right hand side. Straightforward enough. And then the last one, so let's start with changing this to log to the base e of x to the power of a half, or the square root of x, plus log to the base e of e, which is equal to 1. This is equal to, well, we could actually multiply everything by 2 as well, couldn't we? Which would get rid of this half at the beginning here that I just left out, because I was thinking about multiplying by 2. So this will be, the 2 will go here, and we'll get rid of the 2 on this side. 3 times log to the base e of 3. We can put that 3 up there to make it a 3 cubed. So we're going to get log to the base e, we'll isolate x on this side, this is equal to log to the base e of 27 minus this one, minus log to the base e, and we bring the 2 up and make it e squared. So the right hand side becomes log to the base e of 27 over e squared, and that will be equal to log of the square root of x to the base e. So we get the square root of x is equal to 27 over e squared. And you're of course saying I applied the half at the beginning and made it this, so I need to get rid of this x. I need to get rid of the square root all the way down. I already applied it. X is going to be equal to 27 over e squared. Just be careful at the beginning, taking too many steps at once.